Hello and welcome to another video. Do you remember from my first video how bad this car looked? After being abandoned for 17 years, I decided I was going to take on this challenge and get it back to roadworthiness. I tried a few modifications inside. I cleaned up and painted the door panels. The dashboard was so warped, there were pieces missing. The first time I tried to fix this, I tried to wrap the dash in leather. I tried a few different times. I replaced the carpet, but no matter what, I could never match the original carpet. I cleaned up and painted the back. That came out pretty nice, except for the back panels, which will be taken care of today. The steering wheel was rewrapped in leather. After years of I guess water leakage and the sun, the leather is no longer suitable for back here, and this is also warped back here, so we're gonna find a way to fix that. To replace it, I could find a replacement, but it's probably gonna cost a lot of money these days. Yeah, both of these gonna have to come out, and we're just going to replace the leather with a suitable material, not with leather. We're going to start with taking these out, and we have to start with those two bolts down there. So then this comes out. There's a hook here, and then once we get this out, we could get the panel out, and then we're going to unscrew this using a T40. Okay, so here's the first one out. And then just unhook the seat, just like that. So here are the two holes. I'm gonna go ahead and move this out of the way. These are held in by clips. One here, one here. You have access to this clip down here, and this other one right down here. There's another one in the back right there, and there are some screws that I put in to hold this into place. Here's the other panel. It too is warped and in need of some serious repair. If we can't repair it, we'll have to replace it, but we're going to try to repair first. So the seat belt, which is connected here, I'm going to leave this alone, but we're going to go ahead and take out this down here. 17 millimeter on that bolt to get this section of the seat belt out. And that was pretty easy. I'll go ahead and put this back in. It's good practice to put the bolt back so you don't lose it. All right, so I'm going to take this, I'm going to clean it and put some paint on it, and then we're going to put this back in. So of course we're going to clean this up and grease it, but now we could go ahead and thread it through. This is the driver's side, and you can see how bad it looks. It was getting wet. Well, it's been wet over the years. Water's been getting in, and it's really bad. And the car was beginning to smell moldy. So it was time to get this off, get this repaired if we can, and get it rewrapped.